Hey guys, welcome back. If you dream of a well-manicured lawn but dread the physical exertion involved, a self-propelled lawn mower makes the job much easier. Thankfully, there are many products available to choose self-propelled lawn mowers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a research on the internet and compiled a list of the best 5 self-propelled lawn mowers from a couple of brands. After completing the research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. To know more about these products, please be sure to check out the description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Greenworks 40-volt 21-inch self-propelled lawn mower. With up to 70 minutes of runtime per charge with 2 batteries and a 21-inch mowing swath, this efficient brushless lawnmower from Greenworks tackles larger lawns, up to half an acre or even more, for flat manicured yards. It includes 2 40-volt 4-amp-hour batteries and a single-port battery charger that recharges each battery in 120 minutes. The Smart Pace Self-Propel feature operates with a pressure-sensitive handle that automatically adjusts wheel speed to the user's walking pace, while the Smart Cut technology adjusts the motor's power output depending on how long and thick the grass is, optimizing battery usage. This self-propelling lawnmower also offers single-lever height adjustment in 7 positions, and its 3-in-1 cutting options offer the ability to mulch, bag, or side discharge the cut grass. Pro's dual battery ports feature automatic switchover for an extended, uninterrupted runtime. Self-propelled with automatic pace adjustment to alleviate strain on users. Number 2. Ego Power Plus 21-inch self-propelled lawn mower. The Ego Power Plus is a self-propelled lawnmower powered by a 56-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Brushless electric motors for the drive wheels and a powerful 2-stage brushless blade motor ensure a long runtime per charge, about 60 minutes with a 7.5 amp-hour battery, which was used in testing. With the included rapid charger, the lawnmower battery takes just 60 minutes to recharge, which is impressive. The Ego's 21-inch deck adjusts to 6 height settings from 1.5 to 4 inches, and it offers mulching, bagging, or side discharge for grass clippings. During testing on a half-acre yard, the Ego Power Plus was easy and comfortable to operate. The testers liked the simple speed adjustment for the self-propelled pace lever located on the left side of the handle, but the drive motor seemed excessively noisy. Runtime did decrease when the self-propel feature was used, but that's not unusual for battery-powered mowers. Number 3. Snapper XD 82-volt self-propelled mower. This self-propelled battery lawn mower features a variable speed transmission and design features that accommodate different grass cutting demands. The StepSense feature automatically adjusts the self-propelled speed to match the user's walking pace. Load sensing technology in this model automatically adjusts power output based on the thickness of the grass to provide a clean cut while maximizing energy efficiency. The mower's impressive 21-inch steel cutting deck boasts 7 height adjustments that are easily changed from behind the mower with a single lever. The deck can mulch, side discharge, or bag with a capacity of up to 2.1 cubic feet of grass clippings. When the yard work is done, this mower folds up conveniently for vertical storage in the garage. The kit includes 2 2.0 amp-hour batteries, which are supposed to provide up to 90 minutes of runtime, but in testing only lasted for 60 minutes. They also recharged in about 60 minutes. Number 4. Ego Power Plus LM2 156 SP Self-Propelled Lawn Mower. The Ego Power Plus LM2 156 SP Self-Propelled Lawn Mower is a great electric mower that performs like a gas-powered mower. For starters, it has the highest torque of just about any electric mower at 8.3 pounds per feet, more than many classic gas mowers like the Honda GCV 190. The LM2156 SP also comes with Ego Select Cut XP, which means it has 2 blades that spin simultaneously and a turbo button that takes the mower into maximum torque mode. The touch drive technology of this mower enables you to modify the self-propelled speed exceptionally easily. Another great thing about this mower is the 56-volt battery series from Ego. Pro's powerful cutting performance, strong self-propelled system with touch drive technology, high-performing battery system that can be used with other EGO tools. No maintenance, dual cutting blades. Cons. Long-term investment in electric tools. Number 5. Worx Nitro 80-volt 21-inch self-propelled lawn mower. The Worx Nitro Power Share system packs a serious lawn mowing punch, delivering up to 60 minutes of power with 4 20-volt 5-amp-hour Worx Power Share Pro batteries. At a moderate price, this highly capable 21-inch mower offers numerous features to compete with other mowers tested. Its convenience features include a single-lever deck height adjustment, a one-touch fully collapsible handle, a charge level indicator, and a choice of side discharging, bagging, or mulching. Plus, the built-in mulch discharge lever eliminates the hassle of a mulch plug. The load-sensing multi-stage motor automatically increases output for difficult mowing conditions. A standout feature on the Nitro mower is the Base Camp Power Pack. Not only does it combine the power of the 4 included batteries to produce 80 volts of power, it doubles as a 4-way charger, recharging the depleted batteries in just 2 hours. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel. For more information or to check out product prices, take a look at the description below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment.